For most people, this is the wrong tool. Now, why do I say that? Well, Claude Fable 5 is the most powerful AI model that has ever been released to the public, and everyone's telling you to use it to make money with it. But here's the honest truth. For most beginners, it's the wrong tool, and it'll quietly drain your wallet. But use a smart way, on the right jobs, well, it can make you money. So yeah, let me show you when. Let's go. Some quick truth first so you get it. Fable 5 came out in June 2026. It's Anthropic's most capable model. You can actually buy a whole tier above the older ones. But here's what makes it special. It's not built for small tasks. It's built for big, long, complex work. Stuff that runs for hours, even days, without you babysitting it. It can plan a huge project, break it into steps, do the work, and then check its own work when it's done. Now, think of it like this. The cheaper AI models are fast, sharp assistant. Fable 5 is a whole expert team that works while you sleep. That's the difference. And that's exactly why most beginners shouldn't reach for it first. Let me explain this because this will save you money. Here's the part that these hype videos skip. And you need it. Fable 5 is expensive. It's really expensive. It costs about double the next model down and way more than the cheap ones. You pay for every bit of text it reads and writes. And here's the trap. If you're a beginner, 95% of what you do is simple. Writing an email, fixing some text, a quick question, and all that simple stuff. Well, the cheaper Claude models are just as good for that. Not a little worse, just as good for a fraction of the price. Even the experts say it flat out. The most powerful model is not the best value. It only wins on long, heavy, complex jobs. On everything else, well, you're paying premium money for power you can't even use yet. So if you fire up Fable 5 to write a tweet, you're basically using a bulldozer to plant a flower. That's a total waste. Two more quick honest notes. Fable 5 blocks some topics, like anything touching cybersecurity or biology, and hands those to a safer model instead. And it had a rocky start. It launched, got pulled for a few weeks over export rules, and then came back. It is stable now, but that's the honest history. So does that mean skip it? No, it means use it smart. Here's how to actually make money with it. The first smart way, and this one fits Fable 5 perfectly, is to sell deep research reports. Businesses pay good money for research they don't have time to do. There are some professional websites doing this, and they charge a lot of money for it. A market report, a competitor breakdown, a deep summary of a whole industry. This is boring, heavy work. And that's exactly what Fable 5 is built for. And here's why it fits. Fable 5 can read huge piles of documents at once and pull out what matters. It can work through a big, messy task and come back with something clean. One long job, real depth. That's its sweet spot. So you can offer it as a service. You can use Fiverr, or you can just reach out to people. A business needs to understand a new market, and you just point Fable 5 at it. You get a detailed report in an hour that would take a person days. And then, and this part is on you, you read it, you fix anything off, add your own judgment, and then just hand over something polished. You're not selling AI. You're selling the finished report. You can charge like these people are doing, or you can just undercut them when you just start. Your cost is just a bit of Fable 5 usage, and that gap is your profit. And here, the price is worth it because the job is exactly what it's great at. So where do you find these clients? Well, as I've told you first, you can just offer yourself on Fiverr, but you can just reach out to local businesses, small business owners, startup founders, people launching something new who need to understand the market fast. Just make one sample report on a niche you know, or you're interested in, and then just show it around and let it prove what you can do. One good sample gets you your first client. But then again, it's really important that you know that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to get like thousands of dollars in your first week. This is work. You have to understand it. You have to use Claude. You have to sit there, reach out, and trust me, it can work. All right, that was the first one. The next one pays even more. The second way. Now, why do I say that this one pays even more? Well, it has the biggest ceiling, all right? It's not going to pay you more from the start. It is building software for people. Now, just hear me out even if you can't code at all. Fable 5 is the best coding model Anthropic has made. It can build a whole app across many files. It can test it. It can fix its own bugs and keep going for hours. It does the heavy lifting a developer used to do. And businesses need small tools all the time. A simple dashboard, a booking system, a little app that solves one annoying problem. They'd normally pay thousands, and they would wait weeks. With Fable 5 doing the building, you deliver fast. And here's the honest part. You still need to understand enough to guide it and check the result. This isn't zero skill, but the bar is way lower than it used to be. A beginner willing to learn the basics can deliver real projects using Fable 5 as the engine, and the money is serious. These builds go for a few $1,000s each. Plus, you can charge a monthly fee to keep the thing running and updated, and that turns one project into steady income. And this is where Fable 5's price actually makes sense. A big, days-long build is exactly the job it was made for. You're not wasting money. You're spending it where it pays you back many times over. And we come to the third way. It's quieter and it's beginner friendly. Set up smart systems for small businesses. Every business has boring, repeated work. Sorting emails, writing weekly reports, reading long documents, and summing them up. Fable 5 can handle those big, ongoing jobs on autopilot. So you become the person who sets that up for them. You go into the business, you figure out the boring task that eats their week, and you build something. You build Fable 5 system that just does it. And then you charge to build it and a monthly fee to keep it running. Now, why this works for a beginner? You don't need to be a genius. You need to spot one painful task and solve it. The business doesn't care how it works. They care that their Monday is now 3 hours shorter. Now, one smart tip is to use Fable 5 to build and run the heavy part, but use the cheaper models for the simple bits. Just mix them, right? That keeps your costs low and your profit high. Smart operators don't use the expensive tool, Fable 5, for everything. They just use it only where it counts. Now, notice the pattern in all three ways. Big reports, long code builds, ongoing systems, they're all heavy, high-value work, and that's the only place Fable 5's price pays off. For everything small and simple, you use the cheaper models, and you just keep the difference. Just pick the heavy work, sell the finished result, and use the cheap models for the rest. That's the whole game. So yeah, that's why it can be the wrong tool for someone. Fable 5 isn't for everything. It's for the big, heavy jobs that actually pay. But it does require work from your side. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not gonna be a billionaire. But if this is something that interests you, even for a tiny bit, well, just go pick one. A report, or a build, or a system. Just do it for one real client, and then you will see from there. Charge for the result. Use the right tool for the right job, and go build something.